everyone, this is Natasha. Join me once again through my exchange in Kenya. So right now I'm at GBIAC, Grow Bio-Intensive, and I'm in a BSF section, that is Black Soldier Fly section, where they are doing a lot recycling waste, all that chicken waste that you were throwing away. There's a means to make it more productive using it for maggot farming. So right now I have Mr. Darrison, who is going to take us through BSF and show you all the processes that are happening here to recycle waste. Let's recycle waste, guys. Thank you. How are you, Mr. Darrison?
I'm good.
I'm good also. Okay,
Mhm.
so I want to know what are the processes that are happening here,
Sure.
and which type of waste that you are using to produce, and where exactly are you putting this?
Actually, here at GBIAC, we are doing BSF. Many people knows it as black soldier flies.
Okay.
And we are producing our own black soldier fly from the egg, as you can see here. We are producing it from the egg. It goes to the larvae stage, to the pre-pupa stage, then to the pupa, as it develops to the adult. Now, if I can just show you through this stage so that we can move to the demo.
Okay, okay.
You can see this thing, actually one black soldier fly can lay more than 500 eggs.
Wow,
Yeah.
wow. Okay.
And the eggs takes only 3 to 4 days to hatch.
Wow, nice.
Yeah. Now, if we can just
And
go directly.
this is a final product.
Yeah, this is a final
also,
product.
Okay.
Okay, we are putting our BSF here.
Mhm.
I hope the weather is a little, yeah, they cannot move outside.
Okay.
Now we are putting our BSF here.
Okay, these are the flies. So these are the flies.
Sure. The adults.
These are the adults.
Yeah. Now,
Okay.
as you can see here, our BSF normally lay egg in this bar.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
As you can look inside, we have the eggs.
You can come closer.
As you look inside, we have eggs, and actually, I think you cannot count the number of eggs.
Yeah, they are plenty. You see this whitish thing?
Yeah.
They are the eggs.
Now, here, for the eggs or for the BSF to hatch here, you have to have an attractant.
Okay.
An attractant, it is our kitchen waste that
who attracts this.
Yeah, it attracts the BSF. Yeah?
Okay.
And it has to be really rotten so that it can remove the smell to attract the BSF.
The smell. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
So if it attracts the BSF will come and lay its eggs here.
Okay.
All right. Now, after it has laid its eggs, we have to remove these eggs now from here and go to the second stage.
Okay.
Now you can close. Now, after we have, these are our eggs, right?
Okay. Yes.
And I've told you it takes 3 to 4 days before it hatches.
Okay.
Now, when it has reached the 3rd day or the 4th day, you can choose either, but I usually prefer, if you are a farmer and you are doing a black soldier fly, you remove it after 4 days, right? Okay. Now, after you have removed it after 4 days, you have to take the eggs from the adults. Huh? Okay. Now, you have to take a container like this. Then you put your food inside here, which are the kitchen waste. They're here. I don't know if we can we do it practically? Okay,
it's okay. We have the other cheap.
Yeah.
You can see this is also a cheap alternative. It's just cutting your empty container into half. It's also a cheap alternative.
Now here we have the kitchen waste, but they're just there. Yeah, it has already rotten.
So you add water to the chicken waste so that it will rot quickly.
Yeah. Okay. Now after you have removed your eggs, that is 4 days. You have just to put it this way to lie inside the waste. Yeah. After it has lied inside the waste, you just wait it from now day 5, 6. The eggs will start to hatch.
Okay, so you don't add anything. You
don't add anything. You just place them on you
don't cover
You don't cover. Okay. Yeah. Now after the 5th day, 6th day, as the days goes, it will hatch.
Okay.
Now after it has hatched, This one is the, let me use this one. This one we have just put it a few days.
Okay.
It has finished.
It has eggs already.
It
You
has
have
already
placed
hatched.
there,
Yeah, we
okay.
had placed the eggs.
Okay.
As you can see, they are small ones. You can see.
Okay, so
You are calling them the maggot. Yeah.
Oh, the maggot.
Now these are the small ones. It has only taken something, let's say, a week.
Okay.
Yeah? And there are millions of eggs.
Okay, okay.
Now from here, they will feed on this food until it looks something like this. This is the final product. You see, it moves from here to here. I know you can't imagine the difference between this one and this one. But it is just the same thing.
It was like this.
Yeah.
So
sure.
they have drained all the water. Is now.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay.
And now these one are the larvae.
Okay, the larvae.
Yeah, the feeding stage.
Okay.
When it continues to grow, as you can see here, they really feed a lot while in the larvae and the pre-pupa stage.
Okay, they need more food.
They need more food.
Okay.
Now you need just to add, for example, which one can I? This one. This one will have to add more food, because as you can see there.
And they are big. These ones are big.
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Now this one, after 4 or 5 days, we have to add another more food, because it will look like that one. So
the food you add fresh food, or already rotten?
We had the rotten.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're already rotten.
Okay.
So then we mix.
Okay.
Sure. Now after there, you can see we are moving from here.
Yeah, this is the next stage.
Yeah. No, this now is the pre-pupa.
Okay.
Sure. These one are just the same.
Okay.
Now we move to this one. This one, they are big now.
Yeah.
They are big, and at least, can you have a feel? You see. Now.
It tickles.
Yeah, sure. Now this one is it contains the pupa and the pre-pupa.
Okay.
These one are the pre-pupa, but the dark one, this one, are the pupa now.
Oh,
okay. It is from
the light colored one, the pre-pupa.
Yeah.
And the dark ones.
The dark
like
ones.
This one.
Yeah.
These
are now the pupa. Now here they are dormant. They don't feed.
Yeah, it's like they are dead.
Exactly.
They are not moving a lot.
Sure.
Okay.
Now here it is like they are dormant. They cannot feed. Now we have to separate them, so that these one are the one that will become the insect. From here, it is direct to the insect.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. These one will become the insect.
Who tend to be the soldier fly.
Sure.
Okay.
Now you have to separate them. Then you left the pre-pupa to continue
breaking this.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that they can become black. Sure. Okay. Now they're here. I want you to see. We have you are late, but not that late. Let me put this one here. This one you have picked them today. Okay. You can see they're hatching. They're becoming the adults. You can see.
Oh, they're peeling off.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, nice one.
Yeah, this one. Now it will take like today, tomorrow, 3 days. They'll be all gone. They'll be flies.
Now, okay.
They'll be adult.
Wow,
after that, they'll start to lay eggs.
They'll start laying eggs again.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So what will you be using these maggots for?
These ones?
How do you use the final product? How do you use the final product in the garden? And I also understand that you can use them as animal feeds.
Sure.
By the way, maggots, they have a lot of protein. You can feed them to your chickens. You can also use the product for your garden, for nursery, right?
Yeah.
So how do you use from this side, from this section to the farm?
Okay. Now, number one, remember I have just shown you the cycle from egg to the adult.
Yeah.
but we are not only relying on the cycle,
Okay.
but we have other things that we are using the BSF for. Remember, the BSF, they are here, the adults and the maggot. They have a DCP of about 40. That is a digestible crude protein. DCP of about 40. Now they are not to be, when we are feeding them to chicken, we have to consider the DCP, the digestible crude protein.
Okay.
Yeah, there are some extent you cannot feed past that, because it will be of no help to the chicken.
Okay, so you feed the maggots?
You can feed the maggot, but the main aim of the maggot is to grow to the adult, so that they can lay eggs. Yeah, but because they are too much, we have to supplement it with the feed for chicken, then we give it to the chicken. But the best one to use is this one. You can see after they have completed their life cycle, they die. Yeah, you can see.
Oh, so this black soldier fly, after finishing their life cycle, they die. You can see this. Okay.
Now, when they die, you can supplement it to other chicken when doing feed formulation.
Okay, you can add this.
Yeah, you can supplement it as a source of protein.
These dead black soldier flies, that's the ones that are most suitable to give to your chickens as supplementary feed, and they have a lot of protein.
And it is not supplementary, but you can use it instead of using things like fish meal. I know here in Kikuyu they call it mkene. Yeah, you can supplement it with when doing feed formulation, you substitute. Yeah, that is the right thing. With the protein, source of protein during feed formulation.
Wow, that's nice. You're really doing a great work. And in the farm for crops?
Okay, for crops. Okay, sure. Now for crops, you see, after the BSF have already used the kitchen waste until at a point they cannot break it anymore. Now we use these the remaining product, we call it frass.
Frass. Yes, I have heard of frass fertilizer. Oh, so this is frass fertilizer?
No, that one is not frass. We can see it here. Yeah, it's frass, which is the end product.
Come. Let's see frass.
I was at
Eastern Agroecological Conference, and they were talking about this frass fertilizer. This is also a venture, a business venture for the youth. You can be selling this frass fertilizer, and it's so nutritious.
Yeah, sure. Now you can use it, you can apply it directly if you have a big place, or you can use it to the nursery so that your plant can come up with vigor. It contains all the available nutrients, that is the NPK, that's nitrogen, potassium and calcium.
Oh, so the frass fertilizer, it has all nutrients.
Yeah.
Even trace elements there.
Exactly.
It has nitrogen, it has phosphorus, it has potassium, and all the trace nutrients.
Sure.
Okay, thank you so much. So we can say this is the final product from BSF?
Kitchen waste.
From kitchen waste?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's great. Wow. Why are you doing it in a greenhouse? Before I end, why are you doing it in an enclosed area?
Okay, number one, we are doing it in an enclosed area. The main reason is to maintain the temperature for the BSF.
Oh, okay.
Then number two, we can just say we don't want the black soldier fly to fly away. Yeah,
and also you can collect a liquid from this. Collect liquid, maybe adding water and straining the liquid into a foliar fertilizer.
No, we are not doing that.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much for viewing. Hope you have learned a lot, and thank you so much, Mr. Darrison, for taking us through. This is actually a good venture where youth can take part in these things, because recycling waste is very crucial. Rather than leaving it to evaporate, causing many diseases out there, it's better to use it productively, to use it for our livestock, to use it in our farms. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. enjoy the rest of your day.